Hey guys, welcome back to NextGen Blogger, and in this video I want to show you how to create loading bar animation in Premiere Pro. Now to start off, I've already opened up Premiere Pro, and first we will write some text on top of the screen. So to do that, select the type tool from the toolbox. Next, make a single click on top of the screen like this. Next, let's write some text. So you need to write the letter I couple of times like this. Next, select this entire text and now go to properties. Now change the font to Broadway. Next, increase the font size to somewhere around 125 pixels. Next, we are going to center align this text. So go to the align option and click on align center horizontally and then click on align center vertically. Next, what we are going to do is we will add a rectangle on top of this text. So to do that, select the rectangle tool from the toolbox and now create a rectangle on top of the text like this. Next, look inside properties and first uncheck this fill option and now check this stroke option. Now increase the value inside stroke width from 4 pixels to 10 pixels. Next, we will center align this rectangle as well. So go to the align option once again and click on align center horizontally and then click on align center vertically. Next, what I want to do is I want to change the color of this text. So to do that, select the text layer and now go to effect controls. Now expand this text section and right here, you're going to find this color option. So let's change the color of the text from white to, let's say, red. And now click on the OK button. Next, what you need to do is you need to go to effects and now search for the crop effect. Now, once you see the crop effect, simply drag and drop it on top of the text layer like this. Next, go to effect controls and right at the top, you're going to find the crop section. Now, you need to increase the value inside the right option from 0% to, let's say, somewhere around 78%. Now, click on this toggle animation icon, which is present on the left hand side of the right option. And now move the cursor forward by a couple of frames like this. So let me place it at 2 seconds, 10 milliseconds. And now decrease the value inside the right option to somewhere around, let's say 21%. Perfect. And so now if I play this entire thing for you right from the start, okay, this looks pretty good. Next, what I want to do is I want to write some text below this loading bar. Okay, so first let me place the cursor right at the start in the timeline. Now select the type tool from the toolbox and now make a single click below this loading bar like this. Now let's write some text. So let's say, let me write the word loading. Now select this entire text and let me go to properties and now let me change the font to, let's say, Arial regular. Now decrease the font size to somewhere around, let's say, 80 pixels. And let me actually go to the align option and now click on this option, that is align center horizontally. Let me actually change the position of this text as well a little bit. So let me change the Y position a little bit like this. Okay. All right. Now I would like to actually change the color of this text. So to do that, select the text layer and now go to effect controls and expand this text section And right here, you're going to find the color option. So let's change the color of this text from red to white. And now click on the OK button. Now we will decrease the duration of this text layer to 2 seconds, 10 milliseconds. And I chose this particular position in the timeline because it is at this position that my loading gets complete. So let me decrease the duration of this text layer in the timeline. And so now if I play this entire thing for you right from the start. Okay, we are pretty much done. One final thing that I would like to do is I would like to add fade in and fade out to this particular text. So to do that, select this text layer and now look inside effect controls, and right here inside this text section, right at the bottom, you're going to find this option called opacity, where currently the value is 100%. So first click on this toggle animation icon which is present on the left hand side of the opacity option. And now move the cursor forward by 10 frames. And now change the value inside the opacity option from 100% to 0%. Now simply repeat the process. Move the cursor forward by 10 frames. And now change the value inside the opacity option from 0% to 100%. Now move the cursor forward by 10 frames. And now change the value inside the opacity option from 100% to 0%. Now move the cursor forward by 10 frames. And now change the value inside the opacity option from 0% to 100%. Now once again, move the cursor forward by 10 frames. And now change the value inside the opacity option from 100% to 0%. Finally, move the cursor forward by 10 frames. And now increase the value inside the opacity option from 0% to 100%. And that's it. And so now, if I play this entire thing for you right from the start. So this is how you can create a loading bar animation in Premiere Pro. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.